Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put money in your Etrade account. Funding your Etrade account is a simple process with several convenient options available to you. We'll cover the most common methods, including electronic funds transfers, also known as ACH, which are great for regular deposits. We'll also look at wire transfers for quicker, larger deposits, and how to deposit checks. Understanding these methods will help you manage your investments effectively. Electronic funds transfers, or ETCH, are a very common way to fund your account. First, you'll link your external bank account to your Etrade account online. Once linked, you can easily initiate a transfer, specifying the amount you wish to deposit. These transfers typically take about 2 to 3 business days to complete, and you can often transfer up to $250,000 per transaction, making it a flexible option for many investors. For faster or larger deposits, wire transfers are an excellent choice. You'll need to contact your bank and provide them with Etrade-specific wiring instructions, which are available on the Etrade website. Wires usually process within 1 business day. Alternatively, you can deposit checks by mail or conveniently through the Etrade mobile app, which often credits funds quicker than mailing a physical check. Beyond the primary methods, Etrade offers other ways to fund your account. For instance, you can roll over funds from an existing retirement account, like a 401k, into an Etrade IRA. You can also deposit physical stock certificates. Always remember to check for any specific transfer limits or potential fees with Etrade or your bank before initiating a transaction. Regularly reviewing your account statements ensures all your deposits are accurately reflected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.